Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to send a sticker to a group on the Telegram app using your PC, especially with the new update that makes this process smooth and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all your chats and groups. Once you're in, find and open the group where you want to send the sticker. Next, look at the chat input area and locate the emojis icon. It usually looks like a smiling face and is positioned near the message box. Click on that emojis icon, and a panel will pop up showing various emojis and options. In this panel, you'll see a sticker icon. Often it looks like a small square or a folded corner image. Click on this sticker icon to open your sticker library. Now comes the fun part. Browse through the collection of stickers. You can scroll and check the different packs you have. When you find the sticker you want to send, just click on it once. Finally, to send the sticker to the group, click on the sticker again or press enter. Your chosen sticker will be delivered instantly in the group chat, adding a bit of fun and personality to your message. By following these simple steps, opening Telegram, selecting the group, clicking the emojis icon, switching to stickers, choosing your favorite, and clicking to send, you can brighten up your group chats with expressive stickers anytime you like. Enjoy sharing your emotions and making conversations more lively with stickers on Telegram PC.